your wife up. I wanna take the whole and pull it all night. Her body like bow, 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 bow. Now move your body, girl.
With Shaqs, nigga. You already know, bitch, I'm posted on my block. If you make the wrong move, you gon' get your bitch ass popped. 23 shit how I rock. Adam, you a bitch, get off the block. All that fucking trolling, your little bitch ass in the stop. Bands quick to bounce out with that chop. Adam, get off my fucking cop. And we put shit on spot. Tell your bitch, get off my cop. Just got a brand new Glock. Play stupid, you get popped. Nigga, stop hating, nigga, go get some fucking guap. Bitch, I'm quick to tap that hit. Tryna make sure that nigga dead. Adam's fucking broken, he don't get no fucking bread.
Fuck that nigga Adam, most sped ass, big headed ass little boy. That bitch ass nigga never been on shit.
Adam never been on shit. Bounce out with this fucking bleed. Nigga, fuck your whole clique. Old fat ass Mikey need to get up off the D. Brand new 30 stick, you don't even own a Glock. If Adam run up, he gon' get his bitch ass pop. Fuck that nigga Adam, he don't even own a bleed. Ever since a jit, that pussy nigga never been on shit. If I see his big ass head, I'ma bounce out with my bleed. Fuck that nigga Adam, pussy nigga never been on shit. You already know, bitch, I'm posted on my clock. If you run your bitch ass up, you gon' get your whole ass popped. This nigga wanna fight, he gon' get his bitch ass dropped. All that trolling on the net, spit ass nigga just stop. All that motherfucking trolling, pussy nigga just stop. Nigga speaking on my name, knowing he'll get dropped. 23 shit how I rock. Spit ass nigga get up off my top. All that fucking talking, I'ma have to spin your block.
Man, these bitch ass niggas ain't